May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord. Item number 16, my lord, in the third, this is the third occasion, my lord. Service has not been completed, my lord. Service awaited. So, lordship, may give
Today
a
also?
reminder, my lord.
Today also?
Today also, my lord, on 24/9/25, 17/10/25, and 30/10/25.
Item 16.
16, my lord.
What can be done, Dr. Guru?
Yes, I'll get the instruction and SK, CB also not received today.
Can you sort out that, my lord? Can be on 5th, my lord.
You take the instructions. Fifth is a holiday, I think.
My lord.
Holiday.
6th, my lord, then 6th. Deeply obliged.
Instructions may be taken. A reminder for the case diary. Fix on 6/11.
Case diary and service report, my lord.
Service. Reminder of case diary, instruction regarding service.
My lord.
Fix on 6/11.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
May I appeal, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. Lordship, 17, Lordship. Lordship, we are commemorating the 30th October bomb blast. Real bomb blast is the Black Day in our LAG. Lordship, I am the Secretary General, Lordship. Kindly accommodate at 2, Lordship.
Oh, okay.
At
Today.
2, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of AB lordship.
Today or next week?
Monday lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, another way, same lordship BA listing for BA.
Monday, Tuesday?
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a bail application, lordship, tomorrow, lordship,
Tomorrow?
along with ABA out of same FI, lordship.
Your lordship, the mention is for orders. It's IA for POSCO. The reason of mentioning is for,
Which item?
it's not listed in the course list, Your Honor.
For listing? For tomorrow?
Anytime, your
Next
lordship.
week?
Sure.
Let it be on 4th or 6th? 6th.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we had filed an additional affidavit yesterday for item number 22. That may be called for. Much obliged.
Here, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a bail application under section 483 of BNS. And
NDPS, right?
NDPS Act,
Till 9 is also.
arising out of NDPS case number 55 of 25, arising out of Dholai PS case number
Right.
78 of 25.
Let us get the case diary.
No, scan copy of PCR may be called from.
Charge sheet?
The charge sheeted case, yes, your lordship.
Call for the scanned case record within bracket, case diary, charge sheet, FSL, etc. of NDPS case number 55 of 25 within bracket arising out of Dholai PS case number 78 of 25. From the court of the, which is, it is pending from Dholai will be Kasa,
Dholai.
from the special judge Kasa. Full stop. The accused is in custody since 18/9.
89.
Can we get it on 6th or 7th, 1 week?
7th.
7?
Yeah, lordship. Next.
My lord, my lord, this case has been wrongly, my lord, made party state of Assam as a party. This is, my lord, FIR is at page 8, my lord. Then the NCB has to be made a party, my lord. Open the Narcotic Control Bureau.
Okay, in the meantime, we can call for the diary file.
Yes,
On them, showing them the, and the
yes.
name can be shown.
Yes, cause list, my lord, name.
Serve a copy to standing council NC.
Yes,
huh?
lordship.
But to save time, we'll call for the diary.
Sure, lordship.
Okay, full stop. It is submitted by learned additional PP.
And they will have to amend the petition
Report
also
of-
by, because NCB is not a party.
I see, that is right. no? That
They will have to
the
first-
prosecuting agency is in this case is the NCP rather than the state of Assam. And therefore, suitable changes have to be made. The petitioner is seeking regular bail in connection with NCP Guwahati crime number 8 of 2025. Under section so and so. He was arrested on 12/7/25. necessary amendments, the petitioner shall implead the NCP as the respondent. As respondent slash prosecution, as the respondent. Full stop. Further, the name of standing counsel NCP will be shown in the cause list in the respondents column, and petitioner shall furnish copy to the said respondent counsel. So thereafter, we'll call for the case diary, or should we call for the case diary? We can call the case
I'm
diary of.
appearing on NCB Lordship.
Oh, you were
And-
aware of this,
Copy not received Lordship.
not this. Learned standing counsel. You are good.
And name, and Kakoti Lordship.
And learned counsel appears on behalf of the NC, and she may be furnished with the copies. So in that case, we'll call for the case diary.
Lordship.
Call for the case diary of NCB crime number 8 of 25.
Obliged, Lordship.
You can make an amendment by hand for the release.
Lordship.
They take the date, sorry, take the date. Take the date. When should I fix it?
Second week of November Lordship.
10, 12, 12, 11.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, may I kindly call for the scan copies, lordship. This is charge sheeted case, lordship.
22C.
It's from Dhubri. 22C is the
Call for the scan case record comprising case diary, charge sheet, FSL, etc. Its trial is not started,
charge sheet
Of-
submitted, lordship.
but deposition is not there
No, lordship, no.
from the court of the
The
learned
charges is yet to be framed, lordship.
special judge Dhubri.
Dhubri.
Full stop. Of special NDPS case number 206 of 25, arising out of within bracket Dhubri PS 320 of 2025 under 22C of NDPS Act. The accused is stated to be in custody since 3/9/25.
And nothing was recovered from his position.
Is the matter on?
1911 months.
Is it okay for you? Will you want little early?
19.
Little early you want? It's okay. 1911 is okay for you.
Highly obliged.
May I please, the lordship? My lord, here petitioners before the lordship is, my lord, petition number 1 is the, my lord, maternal uncle of petitioner number 2, my lord. They were, my lord, going for medical purpose, my lord, through the place of occurrence, my lord. Basically, they are, my lord, remote, my lord, area. Their house is situated, my lord. And when police fail to apprehend any person, my lord, just to show, my lord, work to the superior authority, they are, my lord, suspecting. For that reason only, my lord, they were arrested, my lord, and engaging in jail, my lord, since long time, my lord, and bail rejection order also does not, my lord, show any specific allegation against them, my lord, page 20, my lord.
They were arrested on?
They were arrested on, my lord,
3/9.
3/9, my lord. They are, my lord, they are different village, my lord, they are 30, 35 kilometers.
Call for the case diary of Silchar PS case number 864 of 25 and so and so. The accused are in custody since 3/9/2025. List the matter on 7/11.
Yes.
7 or 6? 7/11.
Yeah. If-
May I please, your lordship? This is an application under section 483 BNSS lordship. Lordship, offense is under section 35303 within bracket 2 BNS. Lordship, FIR is at page number 11, lordship. This charge-sheeted case, lordship, trial is commenced.
NBW is there. NBW.
No, lordship. It is appearance test, lordship. The accused is
Oh,
arrested
he's
only.
in custody. Right. Just a minute.
Accused is on custody, lordship. He has been arrested on 24/3/2025, lordship. He approached 2 times before the trial court for granting bail, but
Okay.
the same was rejected by the honorable court. He is also not a named accused in the FIR, Lordship.
Call for the scanned case record of PRC number 129 of 2025 from the court of the learned CGM Bongaigaon. Within bracket. Reference Manikpur PS case number 39 of 25. Full stop. The scan record actually without bracket or equalize. Call for the scan record of comprising case diary, charge sheet. Case diary and charge sheet. Scan case diary and charge sheet. The accused is in custody since 24/3/25. This is the matter on 7/11. 7 or 10? 10.
10
10.
million.
10 line.
Master.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner before your lordship is having pharmacy, my lord.
Hmm?
He has a pharmacy, my lord. but-
Pharmacy.
Yes, my lord, but he has no, his license, my lord, does not permit to sell out, my lord, this kind of cough syrup, my lord, having, my lord, codeine ingredients. my lord.
So
It
you,
is, my lord, there are some pharmacies, they can sell, my lord, on the prescription, my lord.
drugs and cosmetics acts, huh?
Yes, my lord.
The investigation is over,
No,
No,
my lord,
going on.
going on, my lord.
21
Call for the case diary.
Yes.
My
Call for
lord,
the-
in this case, my lord, petitioner,
on 20.
petitioner, my lord, categorically stating in this petition that, my lord, these 10 bottles, my lord, liquid, my lord, will not reach, my lord, 1 kg, my lord. Because this kind of codeine, my lord, 1 kg is necessary, my lord. 10 bottles, my lord, therefore, my lord, proper, my lord, FSL report in this case may
Let
be
us see the
necessary.
FIR. then.
My lord,
Quantity
FIR
should be less than commercial quantity according to you.
yes, my lord, petitioner is saying that, my lord, it should not reach, my lord, 1 kg, my lord. Page
Commercial
15, my lord.
quantity.
Page 16, my lord, 10 numbers of plastic cough syrup bottle of 100 ml, each containing codeine,
So,
phosphate and
commercial, my lord.
according to them, my lord, it is commercial. But petitioner is saying, my lord,
Well,
that
that we have to then assert it from the materials.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
just saying, 10 ounces of plastic, 100. That means 100 ml each containing
yes,
codeine
yes.
phosphate, so 100 ml into this thing.
nowadays, my lord, entire liquid should be counted, but plastic bottle and its cork, my lord,
That should
aluminum
not be
cork
counted, no?
counted, my lord.
Okay, call for the case diary of Alakpur PS case number 56 of 25 under 21C. GR case 321 of 25. The accused under 22C of NDPS Act. The accused was arrested on B's Act 25. Let's talk. 10, 11,
10.
10.
Oblige.
Yeah, please, your lordship. It's a NDPS intermediate quantity, lordship. Did you make call for?
Yes. N.A. Begum. And P. Potter. Call for the case diary, Panbazar.
Panbazar.
Panbazar PS
Il-
case numbers 308 of 25 under section so and so so and so. Petitioner was arrested on 8/10/2025. When do you want it? Any suggested date?
11.
11.
Panbazar is
11.
11 then?
Oblige, your lordship.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the case was registered under PS case of Satgaon 172 of 25, where the sections are registered is 21B, 20B2A of NDPS Act.
Right.
It's an intermediate quantity, your lordship.
One is, this will be ganja.
Ganja-
Ganja will be small quantity,
Yes, sir.
apparently, and 21 will be intermediate quantity. Arrested on 14/9. Should we call for the diary at least?
Yes, sir.
Khatgaon police case number 172 of 25 under section. Arrested on 14/9. List the matter on.
On
like
12,
that
11.
last date.
12/11.
12/11? Okay. It's connected with 18. Pick it up together at the time of 18. We along with 18 will take.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, 483 bail application, my lord. Page 12 is the FIR, my lord. In this case, my lord, some FIR name accused person has procured loan, my lord, from different companies by fraudulently obtaining some identities, my lord. And the petitioner is not named in the FIR, my lord. He was subsequently arrested merely on suspicion. And in forwarding report, my lord, the grounds of arrest, it is mentioned, page number 16, my lord. Kindly place this. Grounds of arrest, number 2, regularly contacted with one Ashraful Islam alias Borobhai, who is involved actively in the committing the cyber crime. But admittedly, my lord, the co-accused is the brother-in-law of the present petitioner, my lord. Therefore, there was some contact between him and the co-accused, my lord. And admittedly, as on today, my lord, petitioner is behind the bar since 77 days, my lord. 15/8/2025, he was arrested, my lord. Considering the length of
70
detention-
days.
Yes, my lord, 76 days completed, my lord.
Earlier bail rejection order is it start from page 17 to 19, my lord. Page 18 is the relevant, my lord. One Mamanul Haq has, my lord, filed a bail petition on behalf of the present petitioner, my lord.
Anyway, call for the
Yes.
updated case diary of Mickey Beta
Beta
PSK,
PS.
Morigaon district.
Morigam.
PS case number 95 or 25. The accused was arrested on 16/8/2025. List the matter on
On my
Been
lord,
short date, my lord.
14/11, my lord.
Can it be on next week, my lord, any day, already
Next week.
77 days, my lord, 6th or 7th, my lord. Let it come.
7.
7th,
7th.
deeply over.
7, my lord, on is.
Okay.
May I please, your
Connected
lordship, the
link.
call for the case diary, lordship, in the Bosishta PS case number 34, 35, 36, lordship.
Yeah, call for, okay.
On 6th,
Same.
lordship, 6th, lordship.
Same CD,
Same.
34, 35, 36. Call for the case diary of Bokishta PS case number 515 of 25. But they were all arrested on the same day.
Same day, lord. On
This
6th, lordship.
person was arrested on
Similar
17/10/2025. They get order number 34, 35, 36. Equals to, list on
6th, lordship.
6, my lord, 10th would be convenient.
better. Okay, is it okay?
10th.
Lordship.
10th.
Develop.
Hmm.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is the second bail application, Your Lordship. The Lordship will find a FIR on page 13. And the rejection order it starts from page 20.
Just a minute. No?
Lordship, this is a fight that went on between the known family members, Your Lordship. There was some, admittedly, there was some injuries, Your Lordship.
Perusal of case diary. This is on 8/9. Let us get the updated CD case diary.
Yes, sir.
Please. Learned counsel fairly submits that an earlier bail petition was rejected by this court on 8/9/25, passed in AB number 1760 of 25. A copy of which has been annexed. Call for the updated case diary of Kazigaon PS case number 43 of 25. This is the matter on
13/11, man.
Can it be on 7, Your Lordship?
7 already, my lots of matter.
Many
already
matters.
fixed, my lord.
10, 11, maybe 10.
11.
11.
Right.
Lordship, the matter may be take up after some time, Your Lordship.
Wait, please. This is second time anticipated bail application, Lordship. Earlier was rejected, Lordship. FIR at page 19, Lordship.
Rejected by Pathak, sir.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll take up.
Yes, Lordship.
Similar matter has been
Similar-
fixed on in 10-11.
10-11. In that case, Lordship, alleged main accused has been granted interim protection, Lordship. What happened here? Allegation is the irregularities in executing the PMGSO work. What happened? Allegation is that the final bill has been cleared by the executive engineer without completing the work. The reason behind this, the PMGCY package number 1 was about to expire and the PMGSY 3 scheme about to sanction. At that moment, the higher authorities has advised the executive engineer to clear the final bill after deducting the amount for the work which has not been completed. Accordingly, a 56 lakhs has been deducted from the contractor bill and the remaining amount has been paid. So thereafter, the said work has been completed through the said contractor subsequently in 2023. So there is no financial irregularities. Only irregularities is that as per the official procedure, work has to be completed within 1 year. So Lordship, kindly come to the,
No, just a minute.
yes.
Earlier on. Anyway, which page should I see?
Yes, Lordship, this FIR has been lodged on the basis of an inquiry report of 2022. After the inquiry report, the petitioner was placed under suspension at page 24, Lordship. Annex 3. Accordingly, a departmental proceeding was initiated and a said department proceeding, nothing has been found against the petitioner. Accordingly, he was directed to reinstate, that is at page 25, Lordship. Lordship got reinstated without any punishment, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, come to the page number 28, Annexure 5. Because the final bill has been cleared by the executive engineer after deducting 56 lakhs. So therefore, this deputy secretary has wrote to the chief engineer, this letter is very important, may I read?
28. page
28. With reference to the subject cited above, I am direct to inform you that the inquiry officer appointed in connection with the departmental proceeding initiated against the erring officers in the irregularities committed in the execution of PMGSY package AS 13261 in Patharkandi and Rathabari tier has been in his letter under reference observed that an amount of 3,38,702 will be required to complete the balance work of the aforesaid package. It is also clarified that an amount of 56,62,390 is available with the department which can be utilized for executing the balance work of the scheme. Considering the above status, the work I am directed request to execute the balance work by another contractor following due procedure, utilizing the absent amount with the department in respect of the aforesaid scheme. Let's say come to page number this is part of that letter, page number 31, Lordship. Lordship got it. In the first table, the required amount required for the balance work is 43,38,702. And the amount deducted from the final bill of the contractor in the bottom portion, 56,62,390. That is more than the required. So thereafter, the departmental authority, on the basis of the assurance given by the contractor, work was allotted again to the said contractor Alimuddin, and he completed the work in 2023.
But there's a direction to give it to another contractor, right?
Another contractor, but that said contractor given undertaking before the authority, and that authority has allowed him to work the balance work.
He gave a court affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
After he was awarded.
Yes, Lordship. And
Actually, it should anyway. So.
and the main alleged accused, Lordship, this executive engineer.
Let us go back to the Ejaha against FIR.
Yes, yes, FIR 19.
Let me read it once myself, please.
Second paragraph is important. May I read?
No, I'll read it.
Yes.
Whole one I'll. incomplete or something. One page seems. Okay, anyway.
Lordship, this executive engineer, Lordship, he has approached Mohsin Abid, the first accused. He has approached this honorable and this honorable granted him interim protection. Lordship, the petitioner, the present petitioner is the assistant executive engineer. And he's at the stage of the verge of the retirement, Lordship, in the next year.
This is the subsequent bail petition, right?
Yes,
Earlier-
Lordship.
Earlier bail petition, the observation was that it's not a fit case for anticipatory. bail.
Yes,
I think let's
but-
call for the updated case diary.
Yes, Lordship, but
But-
in
I'll-
case of co-accused, Lordship, who has been granted bail, he has approached before the court first time, Lordship. But present petitioner has earlier bail petitioner
Get it quickly, I mean, since we.
on,
yeah,
because fixed
not-
on 10th of November, Lordship.
Lordship, he's a verge of the retirement, Lordship. Only appraisal and investigation has almost completed, Lordship.
That is another aspect.
The same facts, Lordship, in the executive engineer. The present petitioner is not the approving authority or the disbursing authority.
Because this was already gone into anyway, I just gone through the FIR. Call for the case diary of, get it shortly. Call for the case diary of Vigilance PS case number 1 of 2024 under so and so section. So it is fairly submitted by the learned counsel that an earlier bail petition was rejected by this court on 6/12/2024 in AB 1844 of 2020. However, the learned judge, said learned judge is no longer available in this court. Therefore, I've taken up this matter. I proceed to take up this matter. Submitted by the petitioner counsel that another co-accused, Mohsin Ahmed Laskar, has also preferred AB and he was granted interim protection and seeks similar relief. However, at this stage, I deem it fit only to call for the case diary. This, let us fix it for the same date.
Same day,
Date
10th of November.
Lordship, interim may be given, Lordship, he is at the verge of retirement, Lordship, and the investigation has already been substantially progressed, Lordship.
Not at this stage.
And there is, admittedly, there is no financial anomaly. Only irregularity is the date of execution of the work. Lordship.
But anyway, this is the matter on 10/11. This will be kept.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, 482 AB application, Lordship, under BNSS, Lordship. Case was registered under section 12 and POXO Act, Lordship. FR page number 12 and transfer copy page number 13, Lordship.
all the documents in regard to that coal. And my lord, after granting of the Jimma in that 35 of 2024, my lord, ultimately charge sheet was submitted. In the charge sheet also, my name is not there. But so far the first FIR is concerned, my lord, a portion of the coal in the same depot was also seized in connection with that case. There was an order for auction. We came before this honorable court. That auction is now stayed, and my lord,
Yeah, read petition.
in a criminal revision petition that has been stayed. But since my lord, in the your lordship will find that in the case, earlier case, in the same police station, I went, recorded my statement, gave my documents in support of the coal. So for this case also, my lord, now that matter is now the auction and all these matters of sub judice before this honorable court. But I am now, because I have come before this honorable court, they are pretending that they will arrest me in this case. So my apprehension is that till the case diary come in that case, my lord, your lordship may grant me the interim protection. And if your lordship desires, your lordship may even fix this AB along with this criminal petition where the auction matter is there, or it can be heard independently. We will apprise the honorable court of the.
Can I have a look at the FIR?
Yes, ma'am. Your lordship will find that present FIR where we are seeking bail at page 30. Thirty is the form, my lord. The relevant portion, your lordship will find it. 32 capital A.
33.
33 is the order. We have given a type copy also. But it is, I think your lordship can read it.
Yeah. 33A.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is named here.
No,
Nobody
uh,
is named.
no. And your lordship will find the order in this case, the criminal revision petition order is at page 89. The auction has been stayed, my lord. The operative, sorry, your lordship will find at page 90, the order is there. No, sorry.
Likhapani 32 is this case?
Yes,
Where-
yes, yes.
Where bail has been filed, right?
Because what has happened, my lord, the coal was lying in the depot. We thought that the entire coal was seized in connection with 35. So we came before this honorable court, the honorable court grant us the Jimma custody, they had challenged it, all this matter had come to a quietus. Now, portion of this coal, now they are saying that it is seized in connection with 32. And without any notice, my lord, they have auctioned that 32 coal. In the meantime, when we came before this honorable court. So I think at present, my lord, custodial detention may not be necessary. Your lordship may call for the case there. In the meantime, your lordship may kindly protect this gentleman, my lord.
So, my lord, regarding that, your lordship, he is the owner of the that, my lord, coal depot.
Yes, yes, yes.
And my lord, the FIR is lost by the, my lord, senior geologist, Directorate of Geology and Mining. So, my lord, allegation is that he is, my lord, unauthorizedly,
Yes.
illegally running that coal depot. So, my lord,
Connected
considering,
litigation is also there, so.
Yep.
yes.
So let him record the statement. That can be done. The petitioner heard Lalit Senior Counsel, VD Kumar. Petitioner is seeking anticipatory bail invoking 482 BNSS in connection with Lekhapani PS case number 32 of 24 under so and so section. The case arose out of an FIR dated 9/7/2024. 9/7/24.
24, sorry.
Lost by one senior geologist in the Directorate of Geology and Mining. It is stated that there's some information about seizure of coals and sealing of coal depots in Margarita subdivision. And in this regard, the FIR is lost for further investigation of the case. Stop the petitioner, the petitioner is not mentioned by name in the FIR. However, the learned additional PP submits that he is the owner of the coal which is stated to have been seized. The learned senior counsel, drawing my attention to the annex document, submits that the petitioner had sought interim custody of the seized coal, which however was refused. And to preempt the possibility of auction, a criminal petition has been filed, registered as criminal petition 888 of 25 and filed order dated 28/7/25. The status quo order has been passed. Also, peruse the annex document. The learned senior counsel submits that while calling for the case diary, he may be allowed to record his statement with some interim protection. Call for the case diary of Lekhapani case number 32/24. However, allowing the said prayer, it is directed that in the interim, in the event of 25,000 with one security, he shall cooperate with investigation, making himself available for examination. He for the IO shall not hamper or temporary witness, shall not commit any illegal activities. This is
We
the
are-
matter
On 2011.
2011 was on exercise. Excellent.
you check it, no problem, plus minus
Yes, I'm here.
2011.
Oblige, your lordship.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, as instruction of my client, my lord, I want to withdraw this petition, my lord.
Your lordship, we have, I will get it for the exponent, the last occasion, your lordship. Can you see the last order?
Just a minute. Sir, that's. Get a key on the. No, I'm already the motion. Code level. I will go 50. আমি হেৰি start কৰিছো ন? Failure. এইকেইটা কি হ'ল? 18, 20? এইটো start হৈছে ন এতিয়া? এইটো. Just a minute, huh? It's item 15. Last order, right?
Yes, Your Lordship. The petitioner had filed two subsequent bail application in the same FIR, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On the earlier, okay, this case was filed on 7/6/2025. And subsequently, the petitioner filed another bail application that is on 22/7/2025. And in that case, petitioner was granted bail. And without withdrawing this petition,
Yes.
Your Lordship. So we want this petition to be taken along with, in fact, we have filed an IA, and it is to be listed on 14/11 of this next Monday, Your Lordship. So we want this matter to be taken along with that IA, Your Lordship.
But actually, that matter is interim has been given.
No,
No, my lord, what
that
happened?
matter was disposed of, Your Lordship.
Disposed of
Yes.
granting bail,
Yes,
regular bail.
yes, Your Lordship.
So in a way, this has become infrastructure.
Infrastructure.
Yes, Your Lordship,
Yes,
but,
but this petition become infrastructure.
But you want it to be tagged.
yes, Your Lordship.
Tagged with what? Because that is
With the
disposed
IA,
of- Huh?
with the IA.
With the IA.
Yes.
IA in the disposed of bail application.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your prayer in the IA?
Prayer is to cancel the bail application that was granted.
Cancel the bail.
Yes,
You have
and
not
to be
informed-
heard on merit. Also.
Huh?
To be heard on merit.
Can the IA be brought on record here? It's, the IA is fixed on 14.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, they have not given any copy to me, my lord.
You have to follow it.
My lord, what happened, my lord? They already, in my bail petition, they have filed objection, my lord.
No, it's, Mr.
And
Chaudhary,
the
learned-
earlier bail petition is granted.
Just a minute, sir. The learned counsel seeks to withdraw this petition. However, you, Mr. Your
SK Chakma, Your Lordship. Respondent number
SK
2.
Chakma, the learned counsel appearing for the informant, has drawn my attention to the previous order, last order dated 14/10/2025. Stop. I find that this matter was this was actually fixed on 3/11.
Yes, this matter was fixed on 3/11 last occasion.
Directed to be listed on 3/11 along with BA 2401 of 25. In this context, it is
311 it
submitted that in the disposed of bail application mentioned above, the petitioner was granted bail. Therefore, in a way, this petition has become infructuous. However, the informant side has filed the interlocutory application. Do you know the number? The
Yes, Your
IA
Lordship.
number?
IA criminal 1140
But
2025.
they have not filed.
Just a minute, sir. 41
1140 2025.
2025, seeking cancellation of the bail granted. In this context, the learned counsel, Mr. Chakma, praised for tagging this submits that instead of allowing the prayer for withdrawal, this bail petition may be tagged with the IA filed by them.
Yes, Your
This is
Lordship.
your prayer. eh? This is your prayer.
Yes,
To be
Your
tagged with the IA
Yes, Your
and
Lordship.
fixed on.
It was fixed on 14/11/2025 in court number 16, Your Lordship.
And tagged with IA number so and so, which is stated to be fixed on 16/11,
14/11.
14/11. But this matter has come up by mention.
Yes, Your Lordship. It
It
was,
is listed on, date is not come to the actual. Date
Yes.
is on 3/11.
on the earlier occasion, it was fixed for on 3rd. 3/11.
This guide, learned the prosecution,
My lord, actually, my lord,
some mix up.
my lord, this matter, my lord.
He may
one-
not have briefed you. He may not have told you that this
Yeah, my lord.
petition is still pending. right? Affidavit is made not by you, but by the person. Anyway.
Actually, my lord, the fact is that, my lord, that is, my lord, yesterday, my lord, one matter, my lord, for cancellation of the bail was came before the honorable court, my lord, court number 16, my lord.
Mhm.
That is regarding the cancellation of the bail. My lord,
Bail.
contention is that, my lord, that during the pendency of the one bail petition, another bail petition was moved, and in that, my lord, the protection, my lord, that is, a bail was granted. For that reason, my lord, taking this, my lord, that is the, this, my lord, petition, that it is still pending.
Mm.
So that is their contention they filed, my lord. And in that respect, my lord, the notice was issued to the, my lord, that is the accused petitioner who was granted by the coordinate bench in earlier
In the
occasion.
IA.
So my learned friend's submission is that, as because, my lord, there is already notice is issued and date is fixed, my lord, on that matter, my lord, regarding the cancellation of the bail petition. So his prayer is that, as because, my lord, that order is passed, the same maybe go to that bench
Yeah,
and the tagged with
it
that.
should be
But that
tagged
is
with-
his prayer.
Yeah.
On that, my lord, matter, my lord, already, my lord, notice was issued, my lord.
As already mentioned above, due to bail granted to the present petitioner in BA 2401 of 2025 in connection with same case, right? He is granted bail in 2401
Yes, Your Lordship.
in connection with Nunmati PS case number 226 of 24. The present petition has actually become infractious. It has become infractious.
Yes.
Still, he wanted to be tagged.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Tag. You tell the court that this was your instruction.
Yes.
He has to, if he has filed a false affidavit, then he'll have to answer the court. The council does not make the affidavit, the party which is make that. It's okay, no problem. This matter will be tagged along with IA so and so and listed on, actually, we have to bypass this date. Actually, this date is on 3rd/11. This matter is fixed on 3rd/11. 3/11. And list on 14/11
Yes, Your Lordship.
along with IA so and so. But it may still come up on 3/11 because date is there. There's a date. This is last order. Date is list on 3/11 along with BA 2401, disposed of. But in between they filed the IA and in that date is fixed on 14th.
My lord.
Yes.
I operate. It may come on 3 again. Then you get it fixed.
My
14th. But this order I have given for 14th.
Dev level.
My lord, 18 may kindly be taken up after some time, my lord. 18 along with 32, my lord. 32, 32,
15 along with 32.
32.
17 to क्या sir? 2 PM.
Item number 18 along with 32, can it be a 2, my lord? A 2?
Yeah, that's what he just said.
Always.
After some time. 2.
2.
Instruction was there.
My lord, with all respects, my lord,
19 to PS or something.
on, this is the third occasion, my lord. And regarding case diary,
My lord, kindly have, I have a prayer, my lord, kindly take about 2, my lord. Actually, my lord, instruction, I have not received, my lord. Some, I'll try, my lord.
my lord,
At 2, my lord.
at 2, my lord.
Get it.
At 2. All right. No, it's
That court has
all right.
2.
Twenty, my lord, in this case already search sheet submitted, my lord.
Just 20 days, lordship. No recovery from my position, lord. I am the labor.
Scan copy of TCR may be called for, my lord.
Lordship, they will forwarding the lordship. The lordship, no recovery from my position, lordship.
There's a contention in the forwarding that he's been involving himself.
Yes, ma'am.
Then otherwise, would have given bail also straight away, since completion, investigation is completed. But if there is
Yes.
aspect like that, then it's better to see the record.
Yes, ma'am. Scan copy of TCR may be confirmed.
Is submitted by the learned additional PP that in the meantime, the case diary has been completed, the investigation has been completed, resulting in a charge sheet.
Lordship, my humble prayer, Lordship, that I face the trial to Lordship for consideration my bail petition, Director Lordship.
Or would you like, he can
Then
approach,
let him appear. Trial court will pass order in accordance with law, ma'am.
Consideration of my bail.
the learned counsel submits that he may perhaps, he may also agitate his prayer for bail for the learned trial court. Allowing the said prayer, the bail petition is disposed of with the observation that the petitioner would be at liberty to approach the learned trial court for bail in the context of the completion of investigation.
And the Lordship that shall consider my bail petition.
Actually, no court can say that. The needless to say that the bail shall be considered and disposed of in accordance with the due provisions of law, also keeping in mind the completion of investigation. Bail petition stands disposed of.
We have also served a copy to the amicus curiae and all. Your Lordship, we have annexed virtually all the documents which are necessary for consideration of the bail.
38.
Is it a POXO matter?
Yeah, POXO.
Received, my lord.
This is clear as bail application, my lord. FIR is at page number 13. 13, my lord.
FIR is
Here in this case, my lord, we are victim by circumstances as because my own brother has been arrested, some contrabands recovered from his conscious possession. And I am the elder brother and sister-in-law.
living in the same house.
My lord, no,
No, my lord,
different.
from the residence of the present petitioner also there is recovery, and the adjacent is the brother of the petitioner's house, and from there also recovery, my lord.
My lord,
Huge
who is-
quantity, my lord,
My
commercial.
lord, whose articles has shown to be
Okay.
seized from my compound, those are not the scheduled NDPS items. May I read the FIR, my lord?
Yeah.
With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that on 16/6/2025 at about 10:18 hours, a secret information was received through a reliable source by OC Lokhipur West that two persons, namely Jahangir Alam, son of late Kurban Ali, and his own brother, namely Azizur Haq, son of late Kurban Ali, both are same village, Sas and Sas, as Golpara, has been peddling narcotic drugs from their respective houses. And on receipt the information, I have been entrusted to further necessary action. Accordingly, I, along with this PS staff, namely Sas and Sas, look, we're carrying all necessary equipment, including investigation kits, a digital weighing scale, a seal, and other items were carried for the operation. On reaching at the house of the aforementioned Jahangir Alam, son of late Kurban Ali, and Azizul Haq, son of late Kurban Ali, both are of same village, Tarangapur, PS Lokhipur, district Golpara, Assam, and their wives on notice, the police fled away under cover of darkness, leaving the children of said Jahangir Alam at home. Under such circumstances, I have immediately informed to my senior officers, viz. the additional superintendent of police, crime CDPS, Lokhipur, OC, and directed me to carry out search at the house of aforesaid person and waited for arrival of the OC Lokhipur PS, and also as directed, call the local resident of the village, namely Kodam Ali, son of Sas and Sas, Sadullah Mia, son of Sas, Abdul Malik, son of Sas and Sas, village Tarangapur, PS Lokhipur, district Golpara, Assam, and Bahar Ali, son of late Shukir Ali of village Silar Vita, PS Lokhipur, district Golpara, Assam, to be witnessed during the process of conduct search of house of Jahangir Alam, of son of late Kurban Ali, and Azizur Haq, son of late Kurban Ali. On arrival of local witnesses and OC Lokhipur PS, he authorized me to conduct the house search of Jahangir Alam, son of late Kurban Ali, and Azizur Haq, son of late Kurban Ali, both are the same village, Tarangapur, PS Lokhipur, district Golpara. Accordingly, I have, my lord, this is important, my lord. Accordingly, I have conducted search in the house of Jahangir Alam, son of late Kurban Ali. Before conducting house search, the circumstances of the house search was explained to the witnesses, and they agreed to become witnesses. And on conducting search in the house of Jahangir Alam, son of late Kurban Ali, a total 18 strip of dicyclomine hydrochloride tramadol, hydrochloride and acetaminophen capsules. Matlab, these are not the serial NDPS. Having 24 numbers capsule in each strips is total 18 into 24, 432 capsules have been recovered and duly been seized and in presence of the witnesses in connection with the above referred GD. Thereafter, on the same procedure, the house of his own brother, namely Azizur Haq. This gentleman has already been arrested, my lord. Son of late Kurban Ali, who is adjacent to the house of Said Jahangir Alam. My house is adjacent to the, so far as the allegation, my house is adjacent to the house of Azizur Haq, my lord. Have also been searched in the presence of witnesses, recovered the following contraband drugs from these. A total numbers of 78 numbers of box, each box having 6 strips and each strip having 24 capsules of such and such, such and such, such and such. A total number of 21 numbers of plastic vials containing narcotic gas suspected to be heroin, weighing 27.80 grams, and net weight containing 1.84 grams. A total of 2.39 kg of cannabis has been recovered and duly been seized in presence of the witnesses in connection with the above referred GD during the process of seizure. My lord, the commercial quantity has been recovered from the possession of my brother's house, not from us, my lord. So, my lord, we are living in different campus, my lord. We have been implicated only because we are the brother of the arrested person, Azizur Rahman. So nothing recovered from our conscious possession, my lord. Mere allegation is not sufficient, my lord. From where they have recovered those contraband items? Simply saying such
This,
NDPS
from
item-
his house, what was recovered? This tramadol.
Tramadol, yes.
Tramadol hydrochloride assisted.
My lord, only 18 strips.
250
be-
gram is commercial
This
quantity.
will be intermediate quantity.
No, my lord, commercial quantity. 250 gram is commercial quantity.
That is from my
Your
brother,
lordship-
my lord.
Yes.
Not from me, my lord.
No, my lord, from the residence of Jahangir Alam, my lord. Your lordship may kindly, my lord, this is the,
18 strip, my lord.
and here I.
Jahangir Alam said 18 strip of dicyclomine hydrochloride tramadol.
One capsule, my lord, weight is 0.53 gram, and FSL report also there, my lord. Presence of tramadol is confirmed. So in 24, my lord, capsule 12.72 gram, then my lord, total 432 capsules, my lord, total weight 228.96 gram, more than 2 kg, my lord.
And the quantity is 250 gram.
250 gram is commercial, my lord.
250 gram of code,
Tramadol.
tramadol.
And FSL report is also, my lord.
Tramadol is an opioid painkiller.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
also used as a painkiller.
Yes.
But the thing is that is control.
Control.
But if it is in an uncontrolled way, it will be it may be a narcotic.
Yes.
My lord.
It is one of the listed psychotropic.
Yes,
substance.
my lord.
My lord. Whatever the name mentioned, my lord.
I have come across seizure of tramadol. I think above certain quantity, it is prohibited.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
Because this I
There
know
is
it's
the
an
tramadol, my lord.
opioid painkiller
Tramadol 5 gram.
in
is-
control conditions.
Yes. 5 gram is, my lord, small quantity, and 250 gram is, my lord, commercial.
Five milligram. The 5 milligram looking. I think 1000 milligram of kilo. My lord, 1000 milligram, 1 kg is 1000 milligram, my lord. If 5 milligram comes, then how much will
My
come, my
lord,
lord?
your lordship may
Find
kindly,
out.
yes, see the calculation there, my lord.
The psychotropic substance, I always find a calculation to be complicated.
Yes, yes.
This is easy, ganja,
Ganja,
easy.
yes.
My lord.
Here, my lord,
Psychotropic
one
substance-
capsule contains 0.53 gram. There, my lord, if my lord,
Okay, no, one capsule contains 0.53
0.53 gram
grams of tramadol.
tramadol,
Okay, then
And-
how many capsules?
and that FSI 432 capsule, my lord.
432. Now you do the maths.
228.96 grams, so more than 2 kg.
228
0.96 gram.
grams.
Gram.
Mhm. Hmm?
Gram, my lord.
More than?
More than 2 kg.
No, not
228.96 gram, my lord.
228.96 grams. Commercial quantity will be 250 grams.
Oh, yes, sorry, my lord.
1000 grams.
Sorry, my lord,
One-
in that
Get
case, my lord.
confused.
Because they are
You
in the
will-
Caesar list
the
and,
charge.
my lord, Caesar
Well,
list,
see it properly.
Caesar list and inventory, my lord, my lord, calculation is not there, my lord, only number of capsules is there. From that FSL, my lord, sending at the time of drawing, my lord, I have found that, my lord,
So
regarding.
you
that
make the calculation, huh?
Yes.
Make the calculation. Because it's quantity based, no, this NDPS
My lord.
law.
Otherwise, my lord, this is anticipatory bail application. In
And
case
so
of,
it will be intermediate quantity then?
then, my lord, if 432 capsules, then intermediate 228.96.
228.96
Yeah.
gram. And the commercial is 250 grams.
250 gram
Tramadol.
tramadol.
I don't remember.
And my lord, otherwise, from the brothers of the petitioner also, his quantity of tramadol.
Against him, for commercial quantity will come against him, my lord. As you.
My lord, in case of intermediate quantity also cases, I don't know at this point of time, my lord. Cases registered under 22C, but in that case also the petitioner is not entitled for anticipatory bail. my lord.
No, no, 37 will not come against me, ask my lord. Section 37.
Yes,
Then,
cases registered under 21A, 20B, 22C, 25 and 29. my lord.
That is admitted.
20B also.
Case has been registered under section 22C, but whether charge will frame against me, against.
No, that will come later, but 22B is also there. 20B
Whether
is
further
also there.
custodial detention is necessary, my lord. Yes, because FSL report collected all the witnesses recovered. No commercial quantity recovered from our conscious possession, my lord.
From-
This is simply such and such contraband recovered from the house of the such and such persons.
From the house
Is
of
it
the
sufficient,
president,
my lord?
from the residence.
Can
of
the trial court held guilty me, my lord, in this situation, my lord? If trial conduct, my lord, can the trial court held me guilty, my lord? Ultimate, what will be the ultimate result, my lord? Acquittal is the ultimate result, my lord.
anyway.
He is involved in this business.
A Pramanik Learned Counsel assisted by people, the incident petitioner has been filed under 482 BNSS seeking pre-arrest bail for the petitioner Jahangir Alam and Narzina Begum, stated to be his wife, in connection with Lakhipur PS case number 80 of 25 under section so and so of the NDPS Act. The case arose out of an FIR which was lodged on 11/6/2025. It is stated in the FIR that based on a source information, secret information, a search was conducted in the house of the present petitioner, Jahangir Alam, and the adjacent house of his brother, Azizul Haq. It is stated that prior to the conducting of the search, the petitioner and the wives, and it's fled away, stated to have fled away from the place of occurrence. It is stated that after conducting the search, in the presence of witnesses, contraband in the form of 18 strips of diclomane hydrochloride, tramadol hydrochloride, and acetaminophen capsules, Simplex Plus, with 24 number of capsules in each strips were found. The total number of capsules was stated to be 432, which were seized in the presence of witnesses. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the alleged contraband was not recovered from his conscious possession, and that because of some recovery from the adjacent house of his brother, he has been implicated. Full stop. The learned counsel denies that alleged quantity pertaining to the present petitioner falls in the bracket of commercial quantity, thereby inviting section 37 of the NDPS Act. The learned additional PP submits that on the basis of the FSL report indicating 0.5 grams of tramadol, of psychotropic substance tramadol in each capsule,
0.53 gram.
53 capsule, in each of the 432 capsules, the total amount of tramadol would be 228.96 grams, and full stop. And it is fairly submitted that 250 grams being commercial quantity, the alleged recovery from the petitioner would fall in the bracket of intermediate quantity at this stage, perhaps. full stop. Caesar witnesses are there.
Yes, my lord.
To be seen.
They're implicating arrested accused also, my lord. There are other implicating materials also there again. They are involved in this business since long. My lord. Peddling, they are peddling.
There was the statements of the Caesar witnesses. It is submitted by the learned additional PP that the investigation materials lend support to the allegations. Investigation is not yet completed. Considering the allegations and materials in their entirety, the possibility of the investigating officer having to investigate the backward and forward linkages regarding the alleged drug recovery cannot be ruled out, and therefore be prejudicial to the investigation. In such view of the matter, the bail petition stands rejected at this stage. We return back the case.
May I please, Your Lordship? We have filed a miscase in this petition. This connection of this case, my lord. Lordship, can we see the page, my lord? 97, my lord. In this case, my lord. Interim, subsequent to interim order, my lord.
Interim was granted.
Interim was granted. Thereafter, my lord, we have approached this honorable court for quashing of the entire proceeding, my lord.
It's pending.
And that has been stayed. So entire proceeding has been stayed by this honorable court, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
It was for the diary.
Case diary received, my lord, but from the case diary, my lord, IO has at the last stated date, my lord. The accused number, my lord, 1 to 5 till now has not appeared before the IO for recording their statement.
1 to
1 to 5, man. To tell 7 accused persons from.
let them appear. They have not-
Now, one of the proceeding has been stayed, my lord. They cannot touch, my lord.
Oh, I mean, the investigation.
Investigation.
Oh, investigation has been
Stayed.
I see.
That has been stayed now.
But in the meantime, 2 had appeared already.
Two has appeared, but we have challenged entirely, then the entire investigation has been stayed. my lord.
Then of course, how will they appear? Even if they appear, it cannot be recorded.
Yes, ma'am.
So, আমার হয় একটা order. Last order to 1980, sorry, last order no, 1980 order. First 2 paragraphs the same. Third paragraph the same. Third, fourth, full stop. All the 7 petitioners were granted interim pre-arrest bail by the order dated 19/8/2025. Full stop. However, though 2 of the petitioners, being 6 and 7, could appear, but in the meantime, based on a criminal petition preferred by the petitioners seeking quashing of the investigation, the further proceedings / investigation has been stayed.
I order dated 14/10/2025, my lord.
By the order dated 14/10/2025 and criminal petition number.
1249/25.
The case diary has been received, placed before the court. The learned additional BPS confirmed the statements of petitioner number 1 to 5 could not be recorded, has not been recorded. In any case, in view of the subsequent development, it not deem it necessary to keep the bail petition pending. Accordingly, the interim bail granted in favor of the petitioners, all the petitioners, is hereby made absolute.
Obliged.
Subject to the condition that they will cooperate with the process of law.
Obliged. Obliged.
Return back the case then.
Wait, please, sir. This is their offense. It was registered on the basis of an complaint filed by the forest department. Prior to that, my lord,
in respect of similar offense, two FIRs were filed as well as an offense report.
In this case, I will have to inform Special PP Wildlife, my lord.
Interim is there, no?
Interim is
It is
there.
there. Special PP Wildlife, Mr. Borua.
Mr. Sharma.
Sharma, sorry.
D. Gogoi is
No, he
also-
was supposed to, in any case, come with another case, no? That case.
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Mahajan had appeared,
Yes,
no?
item number,
So that instruction is pending.
item number 19, my lord.
I don't remember.
Yes,
So you inform him.
yes. Yes.
Let him be, inform him. Take it. Yeah, second. No, as soon as time permits.
The CD was called for and the interim was granted, and accordingly the petitioner appeared. FIR. Case number 12, last page.
Diary has been received.
Case diary received, my lord, petitioner is interim, but notice not yet.
Have you taken steps? Have you taken steps? On it? Notice, you must have taken steps, right? You must have taken the steps upon informant.
My lord, I will.
Have you taken? Not taken.
Obtain the instruction, my lord.
Okay, no, have you taken? Not sure.
Steps, my lord. I'll take the step, I will see, my lord. See, my lord.
You take fresh steps then?
My-
No, you take fresh steps. The case diary, you'll send back the case diary.
Yes, ma'am.
Case diary is received, but the matter is pending for service upon respond number 2. The steps of notice shall be taken to be executed through the concerned police station. You take the steps.
Easier
The
process.
Interim order by 19/9/25 stands extended next date of listing. Case diary be sent back and procured again.
On my lord,
For the next
25,
date.
25/11, my lord, 25.
My lord, usual process, my lord. Register
Usual
is easier.
usual process through registry. And through the police station, it will go through the police station.
My lord.
It will go through it. That will be faster.
Make please.
I'm sorry, interim may continue, but
25.
20, my lord, 24 interim may kindly continue.
And I've said,
Make please, your lordship. Well, it's a case, my lord, anticipatory bail, my lord. Well, the question is, my lord, whether this is 20 for a once, my lord. What you will see, my lord, the opium/poppy seeds, my lord.
opium.
Opium/poppy seeds, my lord. Whether these poppy seeds, my lord, comes under the NDPS Act, my lord.
Some form comes. Check. Other than the usual categories, there's always some confusion. এখনো থাকিব লাগে, that central government notification, that is also necessary. MNOP. Opium. Opium is at 92. Opium 25.5 grams. Poppy, no? Poppy seeds. Poppy straw.
Poppy strong.
গতিটো কথা নাই, পপি ষ্টৰটোহে আছে।
Poppy seeds.
Poppy seed specifically is not there, I think, but poppy straw is
Straw
there.
is
But
there.
whether poppy straw is poppy seed, that I don't know, frankly speaking. But it will not come under opium derivative, I think, because
Yes,
it says that opium and any preparation containing opium. Seed won't be a preparation. Seed won't be a preparation. It will be something natural. Yes, but there is an opium derivative other than diacetyl morphine, heroin, morphine, so and so. I think this will also not come. So the only thing that is there by the name poppy is poppy straw. Poppy straw. We don't know. They have given opium slash poppy. No? I think
Yes,
they
PM slash
appear to be
poppy.
different categories.
Different category.
The opium and poppy seem to be different categories.
Yes,
Crushed. Poppy seeds crushed.
But can I pause for here a moment, my lord?
I don't know.
My lord, one judgment is there, my lord, of the apex court, my lord, Justice Bhuya, my lord. And today that is not available with me. Can we have it, my lord, some other day, my lord? Only that point, my lord.
Help us. No?
As because I am
Help
not.
us to learn.
Not on interim, my lord. That's why, my lord, can it be on Monday, my lord? Monday we'll have it, my lord.
Okay.
Otherwise, poppy seeds, my lord, what we understand, afu guti, my lord. It doesn't come, my lord.
There's the entire range of substances actually. What exactly is meant by opium straw and what is opium seed? You know? Do you remember the name of the, I'm asking your junior. Do you remember the name of the judgment? I will try to locate it.
Justice Bhuya, my lord. That is sure, my lord.
Recent? Earlier.
1 year back, my lord.
Near back. Anyway, okay,
We'll have it on Monday.
we'll study it and
My lord,
learn.
my lord. I think it will not come under the NDPS, my lord.
The learned counsel, Mr. Doctor, thinks that the seizure list, the contraband has been mentioned as opium slash poppy seeds. And in this context, submits as to whether the said poppy seeds would come within the ambit of NDPS. The learned counsel seeks to place a judgment in this regard and seek some time for the same. There is allowed. Place the matter on. CD has come.
CDS comes, you have
Case
received. it.
diary, however, is received and shall be retained. List on Monday or Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday? Monday.
Tuesday then, my lord.
4/11.
4. I'm obliged.
Counsel. Nice. Going on. Just hold on. There's only 3 matters left in the normal course. Going on.
My please, Lordship. I think CD received service report may.
CD
Maybe
is
void.
received, but I want to point out one thing, Lordship. In the order, Lordship, one thing is there. May I read, Lordship?
Which order?
Lower court, trial court's order, Lordship. IO has submitted.
Notice is not completed also.
Notice also not completed. I have not,
But
but the charge sheet has submitted, Lordship.
Transcript not submitted yet.
What do you want to show me?
Well, I just want to read, Lordship. IO has submitted charge sheet against accused, this person, Lordship, Sohidul Islam, for committing offense under section 363 of IPC, reduced section 4 of POCSO Act. However, the accused has been shown as absconder. The charge sheet is returned to the IO along with the case diary to be submitted afresh and when the accused is found. But there is no illegality in submitting charge sheet without arresting the person, Lordship.
It's in the case diary.
Case diary is there, Lordship.
Transcript not accepted by the trial court.
Young officer, maybe due to inexperience.
Charge sheet number is also there in the.
Charge sheet can be sometimes returned if it's not complete.
CD is available, my prayer for to appoint a amicus curiae, Your Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
In the last page also, the same thing is stated in the note, IO note.
No, what can be done is the proper course of action, whatever I know is that accept the charge sheet and then issue a
Lordship,
warrant.
Lordship, that can be done, Lordship.
Otherwise, this will, what might happen in this kind of situation is that it may get lost. The police, in the police records, this may get lost. And the person, if the person is in custody, then it will not get lost because he will point it out.
Lordship.
Otherwise, it may not. Because, if any other co-accused is in custody, then it will come to light. Otherwise, if the only accused is absconding, it may get lost. So anyway,
Otherwise,
so,
Lordship,
let us complete the procedure. actually.
Lordship.
That, things, we have to, have you taken steps, notice what?
Notice, but we have not received anything.
Take the instruction, please.
Lordship, I have taken,
Lordship, may I
but,
refer to upon the amicus curiae, Your Lordship.
No, because we have to see the notice, no, at least, or at least, repeated steps are there, That is, then only usually.
Dates done, Your Lordship.
today only, we
dates
have,
already, yeah.
from our office, Lordship, today only we
First,
have.
the procedure demands that first we should,
Lordship,
give an opportunity. Somebody
Lord-
might want to apply through his or
Lord-
own counsel also, right?
Lordship.
If not, then without delay,
Lordship.
to prevent delay, you take the instructions,
Mhm.
but, take it quickly.
Lordship.
Case diary has been received. You retain the case diary or return back?
Retain.
We can retain.
And maybe retain, the prosecution shall take instructions regarding service upon the informant. Is the matter on 4th or 6th?
On 6th, Lordship.
6th,
Fourth, Your Lordship.
4th or 6th, 5th is holiday. 4th.
Fourth. Your Lordship.
Okay, Lord. ফোন করি তো আজকে দ্বিতীয় কোথায় গেল?
Obligation.
May I please, Lord?
Seven and 29.
But by you lordship's order, my lord, 8/10/2025, my lord, interim was granted and petitioner appeared and statement recorded, my lord.
In this case, though, Lordship, Lordship, CD is there, but one thing I have noted that, Lordship, in the last page, Lordship, of the last entry, Lordship, it is stated that, it is to be noted that the FIR name accused person, that is Rafiqul Lordship, has submitted an honorable court order through his relative to the office staff of so-and-so Lordship regarding the interim bail obtained by him so-and-so Lordship. But the thing is that now I remain attentive to record his, but it is to be noted that FIR name accused person named Rafiqul Lordship did not appear before the IO after repeated notice given through his relative to appear. The case is that, Lordship, and regarding the another person that is.
Collected bail application to DDB. At best, what can you do? Tell him to appear
Update,
again.
Lordship, we can need to up to date.
But he should appear.
Update কোনগুলো?
আরো tough লাগছে, 29 আছে।
নাই করা, এটা date last date of 9/10 of
The
আর এইটো
Mr. Ali Learned Counsel has drawn my attention to the previous order dated 8/10/2025. The petitioner was granted interim bail with conditions. Case diary has been received, Learned Addition PP Parasar.
Nikke Das, KK Das.
KK Das Learned Counsel submits that, as for the endorsement, the bail order was sent to the IO by the petitioner through his relative, but he has not appeared. This repeated notice might be prior to this also. It may be prior to this.
It may be,
Very-
Lord.
So nevertheless, the petitioner is directed to appear before the IO, making himself available for examination within 7 days. Case diary may be returned back, but
Lordship.
7 days if it does not reach, not to give it, 7 days to nullify. The case diary may be returned back and procured again by the next date. The interim bail stands extended to the next date of this. This is one. In the other also interim is there. Is there. He might have appeared also. Check.
But it is Lordship, he is get interim on, I think, Lordship 17/10. But the last date of the
Oh.
entry is 9/10, Lordship.
So this second case, Mr. Ahmed's case, this petitioner's name is, he has appeared? He
No, Lordship, it is 9/10, before he get interim, Lordship. So it need to be up to date. The entry need to be up to date, Lordship.
It will not back the case diary has been received. The petitioner was granted interim 29, I think, on 17/10/25 with conditions. The case diary has been received, but
The last entry is 9/10, Lordship.
but the last entry is dated 9/10 and was not reflective of the statements of the petitioner. The petitioner shall comply with the conditions. And the CD case diary may be returned back and procured again.
And
Interim stands
14/11, Lordship.
stands extended to the next date of list. 14/11.
Lordship,
Both the cases.
Both the cases.
obliged.
This may be, should I take, direct tagging? Not necessary.
Not necessary.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the SI of police of my lord Sivasthan outpost, my lord, under the Samaguri police station, finally FIR, my lord. It says in the FIR that, my lord, one person on 24/7/2025 came to the police station in injured condition and reported the police that he came from Mizoram, my lord, with 11 lakhs rupees. Initially, he came to Guwahati, thereafter he was taken to the Samaguri area. And he came to purchase fake currency. And some person in the name, FIR name person, my lord, showed him the fake currency. It was in poor quality. Then he denied to take. And thereafter, the genuine money, 11 lakh, they snatched away and assault him. Hence, he came to the police station and reported. Thereafter, on the basis of his statement, the SI of police filed the FIR. And here, my lord, the present petitioner is not named FIR. FIR name is number 7. 7 is the Baharul Islam, my lord. He is the relative of the present petitioner, my lord. And Baharul was arrested, my lord, and released on bail. And, my lord, the police perhaps, my lord, suspect.
Do you have the order? Any chance? By any chance?
Yes.
Of the co-accused? Don't
Yes.
have it? Don't have it?
Yes.
Order? No, you have the order of the.
Baharul's order will be from his session judgment.
It's okay if you don't have, but.
Yes.
Just asking. The diary has come.
Diary has come, Lord.
Say, no? It too, he has some.
I remember, also, this is not mine, this is session judge. Anyway, might help.
It too, right too? No, it too. Eh? Oh. Baharul Rampur. Then I'll turn on. Let's back कर देते हैं. There is Baharul Islam.
And who is he? He's
the
not,
one that
he's not named in the FIR.
Yes, my lord. He's the relative of that accused person arrested, Baharul, my lord.
Who was released on bail.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, perhaps suspect that he.
Baharuddin Ali.
Yes,
He's
Baharuddin Ali.
relative of Baharuddin Ali.
Yes, my lord. He's a close relative, man.
What I can say from the city lordship, it is that the lordship, as it has already been stated by my friend lordship, that one person has come from Mizoram and he tried to, 11 lakhs has been.
11 lakhs of genuine money.
Genuine money.
To buy counterfeit.
He tried to counterfeit, buy purchase counterfeit lordship. However, this person has snatched away the money. And according to the CD lordship, they have distributed it at the money. And according to police, they have just recovered 1,36,200 rupees from the seized entire amount. And the rest of the money is with this person, lordship, Faizul Islam.
As per the investigation.
As per the investigation, so that investigation officer is trying to apprehend this person, so to recover that money, lordship. That is why they are objecting, lordship.
No, he's not Faizul.
But that is the story, then it will be.
You are from, but his name is Faizul.
If that is the story, it will be difficult then to.
It's Faizul.
Faizul.
Interim.
It's Faizul.
but if you give him.
But it is a
And then this
only
people-
version.
These informants
it
are
is there-
also, rightly reflected here. The informants are also actually.
Lordship,
in a
they
way,
are
because
also
they
involved in
came to
this,
do,
these are the
counterfeit also.
two groups of people, Lordship. One is purchasing, one is selling, Lordship, fake currency.
Could I have a look? Yeah.
Lordship, it may be. Me to detail.
I'll give this back to you. I'm just keeping it for a moment.
But I am a cultivator, my lord. I have no any case, my lord. Very unfortunate.
If the money is to be recovered from him, then interim will not be justified.
Fifth point.
Anticipatory bail will not be justified. Otherwise,
Na hetu Bombay sir.
this I am familiar.
The fifth point, it is clearly stated, Lordship.
Anyway. I will dictate it in the chamber. Time is also up. If you want.
I will bless you.
Chamber.
I will bless you.
Oh, this matter was there, no? You wanted to, will you like to do it? Huh? Or at 2, you will be free actually.
Your
If you
lordship, I have a matter again for your lordship.
At 2 also.
Yes, your lordship.
So shall we take it up at 2 or?
No, your lordship, I'll just take a minute, your lordship. So your lordship,
Our matter process.
item number 40.
Action. This is disposed of, caution about this, disposed of with the direction that complainant will be examined and thereafter the precognizance hearing will be taken and thereafter it will be again necessary orders will be passed. So neither rejected nor allowed, that kind of order.
My lord, I have a prayer, my lord. Item number 19, my lord. I will get the case diary, my lord, tomorrow, today, my lord, afternoon. So kindly fix on, my lord, tomorrow, my lord, as a supplementary.
No issues. Only thing is that tomorrow I'll be first half till I'm going outstation today after court. I'll come back tomorrow.
Second half.
But I will sit at 2 o'clock. Is that okay?
Okay. My lord, very happy. Highly available.
Obliged, my lord.
Is there the praise for, say, the learned, V. Sharma, learned special public prosecutor, forest wildlife offences. Appearing on behalf of the forest department. 6, some time to procure the case diary. Praise for fixing the matter tomorrow. Praise the Lord.
Mal.
6 on 31st.
At 2, or point.
At 2 tomorrow.
It will be,
Mal.
tomorrow I'll start at 2 only.
Oh, mile.
Highly available.
এইটো কোনটো আছিল মেট্ৰত তোমালোকৰ না না এইটো কিমান নম্বৰটো আছিল এইটো 90
My lord, in my matter, I've requested the learned amicus to it.
Please come.
Local villagers gathered, and then the FIR was filed implicating all of them. FIR is at page number 13, your lordship. It is translated, and the vernacular lordship will get at page number 21.
You can read.
The translated one,
Yeah, whatever, as for your choice.
page 13, your lordship, the translated one. Humble submission is that I, so and so, is a local resident of village so and so, with deep mental pain and hope for justice, I have lost the complaint to the effect that on 5/9/25 at around 3:30 AM, in the absence of my husband, I was sleeping in my bedroom with my minor son. At that time, the above named accused persons had entered into my house illegally and kicked the tin fencing and forcibly broke the door of the bedroom and entered into it, and thereafter forcefully dragged me outside and also brought my co-villager Nazrul Islam, and they tied me and Nazrul Islam around one tree in front of my house with a plastic rope, and then they assaulted us with their hands and using a cable fiber, for which I sustained severe injuries in various parts of my body. And also the co-villager boy also sustained injuries in his body. At that time, some of the accused person touched my so-and-so and thereby outraged my modesty, which is completely inhuman and humiliating. Not
Page 50, lordship. What happens in this case, lordship, today's CD was called for lordship. But
He's still in custody, no? So-
still in custody.
still he is in custody 75 days, lordship. My resolute submission, lordship, he is pursuing the BE,
These are, I'm remembering now.
lordship.
Oh. Investigation must have progressed in the meantime.
Progress, but lordship, some
Mm.
FSL report of the, yet to be received, lordship, but going to the case diary and the heinousness of the offences, lordship. The 75 was days today, but days is not count, lordship, but the offence was, they have committed, lordship.
But he is in judicial custody after 4-5 days, lordship. My resolute submission at this stage, lordship, he will face the consequences, lordship. He is a student going to appear in BTech examination, lordship. In
He's a student. No, he's not. a student.
even he was not called for police custody, lordship. He is an employee of L&T company, lordship. And he have a family married person, lordship. By implicate,
And a woman was brutally killed.
not by,
And a woman was brutally killed by
I was
this instruction
in
of
the-
this petitioners, lordship.
lordship, let me clarify, submit. Lordship, and that alleged incidents,
Do do we have the earlier order?
lordship.
Which was, it was rejected, how long? back?
Page 50, lordship, 50. This honorable court order, lordship.
I just want to see how long back it was rejected. So what is the, I'll tell you, you check the 25/9, what is the approximately say, 35 days. No, investigation, how much it is progressed?
Only the bail to which was strangulated her, lordship, that FSL was sent, that is not received yet. And CDR analysis was received, but some parts of it yet to be received, lordship. And lordship, I want to point out the postmortem report, the heinous of the petitioners, lordship. Death was due to asphyxia as a result of rigorous strangulation, which was antemortem and was homicidal in nature. Injury number 2 and 3 were caused by sharp cutting lightweight weapon and were antemortem. Rest all the injuries over the body were antemortem and caused by blunt force impact. Evidence of recent sexual assault was detected on her person at the time of examination. But if that part goes.
PS
My lord,
case.
kindly after some time, my lord,
Already,
I'm just thinking, while I call on.
I can do some part work, no?
their name is shown, my lord, nobody is appearing.
While, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, my lord, page number 17 was the first case registered against the petitioner as Paneri PS case, wherein the petitioner was granted bail. Lordship, kindly turn to page 19, the third paragraph from the bottom. Lordship has got it, my lord. It is noted in the case diary, as it is reflected from the FIR, that the only incriminating circumstances against the petitioner was the statement of the co-accused persons, that is so and so, so and so. However, there are no other evidences against the petitioner. Accordingly, the bail was granted. Subsequently, once I got this bail, I was arrested in connection with, my lord, Amguri PS case. That FIR lordship will find at page 23. But in that Amguri PS case, similar allegation, my lord, this honorable court had already granted me, I was arrested, my lord, and I was granted bail.
Amguri PS is the other one.
Yes, my lord. One Paneri PS wherein I got anticipatory bail, my lord. Thereafter, immediately after my release, I was arrested in connection with Amguri PS case for a similar offense. And in that case, I have been granted bail by this honorable court. Now in this connection, Lordship may kindly turn to the offense report, my lord. The complaint is at page 12 in the present case where this AB has been filed. Well, here also, as per statement of a main accused, I have been implicated as an accused. Nothing has been recovered from the possession. I was not present also. And my case, specific case, is at paragraph 6 of the bail application, my lord, at page number 4. I'm a member of BPF party prior to election to keep me out of the political rivalry. All these FIRs has been lost and I was put behind the bars. Once I get bail, I got arrested in other case, and this is going on for quite some time. I don't know how many other cases are pending against me.
I get this. So you are granted interim.
I'm on interim protection.
Only thing is that Mr. Sharma is not there. He has to appear, no, especially.
I informed him, I also contacted Dixit Gogoi, my lord.
Otherwise, we will have to fix it tomorrow, extending the interim
Yes.
tomorrow, or if you can wait till Monday or Tuesday, I can fix it on Tuesday.
After some time, my lord, he said that he's coming, my lord.
Okay, Lordship, I'm after some time.
Don't want to delay you also, because I also want to finish my work. Of course, I'll sit till hours.
Then anyway, my
I'll be
lord,
going little outstation nearby.
then
No, my lord, fix it on next week, my lord.
If it's not a problem for you, should I?
No, I'm on interim, my lord.
Mr.
Teacher problem.
Dixit is a, Pharma.
only, my lord, special PP wildlife, my lord.
The petitioner was granted interim bail on 26/9/2025. Full stop. The special PP of the forest department is appearing, but he's not present at the moment. Full stop. Therefore, list the matter on, when should I-
Immediate,
6/11. 6/11/2025. The interim bail stands extended till the next date of list, right?
Obliged.
So you need not wait. You know, we have to plan the other things, admission at us, no, the dutas. Admission, duta, order, just a minute, I'm planning to speak. Order matter do? Purigo, order matter. Purigo. One second, Purigo. This was part hard matter.
Lordship.
I have already completed lordship.
You have completed.
Now my friend is to submitting. Subject to reply lordship.
Maintenance.
Lordship. Maintenance to respondent number 2, lordship, who is a minor.
I'll remember. No. Fully. Just two. Now I remember. It was given to the child.
Child, only child, not to the respondent number one. Your Lordship.
No, this is the second one. No,
Second one.
No. this is- no.
My contention is only that, Lordship, without dissolving the earlier marriage, Lordship. Now she with her child, Lordship, claiming that their child is of mine, Lordship.
So a charge sheet was late,
Which was matter, which is.
but
matter?
item 14, madam, 1 4,
Oh, sir, this admission.
admission. Well, Lordship may have a look at page 17, madam. This is the FIR, madam,
Page 17.
page 17. Third paragraph, madam. The facts of the case is that
Just a minute, no?
Madam.
Page 17 is,
one, type copy, madam.
yeah, I'm on the wrong. Is there any additional affidavit also?
Yes, ma'am, there is an additional affidavit, madam. Affidavit is there, madam.
Oh, yes, this is the FIR, the page 17. no?
Page 17, madam. Third paragraph, madam. The fact of the case is that above named accused number 1 for the last 4 years by giving promise of marriage has been in love with the informant. Therefore, by